Is Gmail not syncing your emails properly? Maybe new messages aren't showing up, sent emails aren't updating, or your inbox seems stuck. Don't worry, most Gmail sync problems can be fixed with a few simple steps. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Gmail sync problems in 2026. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Open a website or another online app to confirm your connection is working. Gmail won't sync properly without reliable internet access. If you're using Gmail in a browser, refresh the page. On Android or iPhone, open the Gmail app settings and make sure email synchronization is enabled for your account. If your phone or tablet is running out of storage, Gmail may have trouble syncing new emails. Free up some space by deleting unused apps or unnecessary files, then try syncing again. Using an outdated version of Gmail can sometimes cause syncing issues. Open your device's App Store and check for any available Gmail updates. Yeah, installing the latest version often fixes known bugs. If Gmail still isn't syncing, restart your phone, tablet, or computer. I mean, a simple restart can clear temporary system issues that interfere with syncing. As a final step, you can remove your Google account from your device and add it back again. This refreshes your account connection and often resolves persistent sync problems. Just make sure you know your Gmail password before removing the account. And that's how to fix Gmail sync problems in 2026. Whether the issue was your internet connection, app settings, storage, or account configuration, these steps solve most syncing problems. If Gmail still isn't syncing, you can also check Google's service status or contact Google support for additional help. Thanks for watching.